Maybe this video should have been the first of this channel. But in this video I'm gonna teach you what Forex is and how you can make money off of it. Hello everyone and welcome again into my place where with each new video I try to bring you one step closer to successful trading and to keep you profitable. My name is Ivailo and this is Elite Trading Zone. You've probably heard the term buying tools around Forex. What does it stand for? It stands for foreign exchange, exchanging your currency for a foreign currency. If you guys live in Europe and you've ever traveled to the United States for a vacation, that's going to be your first introduction to foreign exchange. Every single international airport has a currency exchange kiosk where you exchange your currency for that country's currency. For example, when you travel to the United States right now, if you give them €1, they will give you 1.10653 US dollars. That is the current exchange rate. So if you exchange €100, you will get 110.66 US dollars. However, in reality, you will get less than $110 because exchange have to make money too. They do it by putting big spreads. The rent at the airports is not at all small. I think it's about time to get into the deeper stuff. We go back to the Europe again and look at Euro US dollar. This is the most commonly traded currency pair, the most liquid market on all Forex exchanges. Right now, for €1, you will get 1.09778 US dollars. You might be asking yourself, what does that mean and how do I make money off of it? When you're trading currency pairs, a standard watt is a unit of measure of the amount that you're purchasing. For example, if Euro USD is 1 to 1.000 and you want to trade one standard watt, which is 100,000 units. In order to place that trade, you need $100,000, the current price multiplied by the number of units. Here in the third and fourth points of this price, if it were to go up to this price, 1.09878, that would be the difference of 10 pips, which is basically a difference of 100 of the price. With your original purchase of one standard watt or $109,778, if the price went up to this number right here, you would have an additional of $100. You make a difference of $100. That is the act of buying at one price and selling at a higher price. Don't be fooled, because the price can very easily go in the opposite direction. Then you will lose $100 if you put a stop loss, of course. That is why a clear understanding of technical analysis, basic financial fundamental analysis, as well as months and months of studying and practicing is going to help you be able to make money instead of lose money. If you want to take your first steps in Forex, you can watch my videos where in less than 5 minutes I explain the basic of technical analysis. If you learn the knowledge in my videos, maybe you will be constantly transferring money from other accounts into yours. Check my Forex for Beginners playlist right here. If you are advanced, click here for smart money concept. You like the way I teach, then subscribe if you haven't already. Smash the like button, comment how you heard about Forex. Till the next time.